back to my channel, and this is Gemma Tubi ulit, and welcome back to my cooking style. And if you are not subscribed yet in my channel, please do subscribe and hit the bell button so you will be notified every time I will post a new video. Okay guys, the recipe that I will make today is called beef stew. In Filipino is Afritadang baka. At ipapakita ko sa inyo ang mga ingredients. First ingredient is baka. The first ingredient is beef cut into small pieces, and I already marinated it. The next one is a potato. The next one is carrots. The first one is the spices. Is the garlic, onions, and green bell pepper. Next one is soy sauce, pepper, salt, at tomato sauce, green peas, water, cornstarch, and oil. What we are doing right now is I heated a pot here. It's already hot. Now it's ready to put a little bit of oil so our beef will be cooked. By the way, our beef is already marinated with soy sauce. So at this time we will put an oil to our pot. Okay? Alright, we will put a little bit of oil. Tiny bit of oil, just enough to cook our beef. Alright, let it hot a little bit, and then the next that we will put is our spices. This one. Okay. First that we will put, I think the oil is already hot. So the next thing that we will put is our garlic. And we will let this brown a little bit brown before we put the rest. Ayan. Okay. Ilipat lang natin ang ating camera. Ito na. Alright. That's our garlic. We will let this garlic a little bit brown. Enough. The next thing that we will put is our onion. Right? We'll just mix it until the onion will be a little bit cooked. Alright? I think this is enough. And then the next thing that we will put is our beef. This is our marinated beef. We will put in our pot. Alright. Now we will stir it. We will stir it until it's turned into a little bit brown. Okay. Then we will let this cook for 3 minutes, and then we will cover it. We'll cover it and we will cook this for 2 minutes. And then guys, after 2 minutes, we will check, see if it's ready to put the bell pepper. Okay, welcome. Guys, I forgot, we have to put a little bit soy sauce first before we will cover it. Okay, soy sauce a little bit, then we will stir, and then we will cover it. Okay. Alright guys, the next thing that we will put is our red bell pepper. Okay, we will just stir it a little bit, and then the next one is we will put a little bit of water. There you go, the water is here, a little bit. Okay. Okay, a little bit water, and let it boil, and let it boil, and let it cook the beef for a little bit. Hi guys, ako ay nagbabalik. Ang isusunod nating ilagay ay ang ating potato. I'm back guys. We will put now the potato. We will stir it. Stir. Until it will mix. Okay, here. The next that we will put is the carrots. Okay, stir. I just want to put all the potato because you know my husband will like the potato. Alright, now stir natin, or we will keep stirring until, oh no, after mixing it, we will cover it until the potato will be cooked. Okay. Alright, see you in a few minutes. Now, guys, we will cover it and we will wait for 5 minutes. See you in 5 minutes. Hi guys, I'm back, and I will put the cornstarch so it will be creamy a little bit. Our beef stew. Okay. So we'll just mix it until it will be creamy, because the what do you call this? Because the potato and the carrots they're already cooked. So now the next thing that we will put is our tomato sauce. There you go. Tomato sauce, and then now we will mix it. Alright, I think it's too much, so yes, this is it. and then we will this is our tomato sauce. Okay, the last one that we put tomato sauce, and then it's boiling now. So the last one that we will put is our sweet peas. Sweet peas. We will put around here. Yeah, sweet peas. We will mix it, and then when it's boiling, after it boils, it's done. It will be done. Okay guys, we will let it boil. We will cover it for 2 minutes, then it will be done. Okay, I'll be back. Hi guys, I'm back and our beef stew is boiling. This is done. I will turn off the stove, and then we will transfer it to our container. This one, we'll take the lid off, and we will bring the beef stew here, and we will put in our 2 containers. Okay, all right. Thank you guys. All right. There you go. Now, let's put it in here. Okay. Oh, it's hard. Oh no. I have a hard time, guys. Okay, let's use the lado. Wow, looks yummy. Alright. Bye guys. Alright guys, our beef stew is done, and it's already in the pots that's supposed to be, you know. There you go, our beef stew is there, and it's done. Now the next thing that we will do is we will test it, how it tastes. Ayan guys, this is it. We will test our beef stew. Okay. Yummy. Tastes good. It's really good. It's perfect. And guys, if you like my video, please hit like and hit the bell button so you will be notified every time I will post a new video. And don't forget to subscribe, please, my channel. Please don't forget to subscribe my channel. Bye! Happy Sunday everyone, and see you next week.